Hey everybody, Billy from Billy's Bike Adventures. Now today I'm out and about testing out the KTM My Ride navigation app. So keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts and show you how it works. Before we get started, if you found this interesting today, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. You'll get access to all my other videos. Some basic info to start with. So if you have a 2017 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S or R, you can have the navigation software installed on your machine at an official KTM dealer. My bike is a 2017 Super Adventure R, and I've had the software installed, so I'm able to use the navigation app. 2018 machines already have this pre-installed. The KTM My Ride navigation app is available for Android and iOS in the app stores, so download it from there. It'll cost you $7.99, and I'll give you my thoughts on whether I think it's worth the price at the end. To use the phone with the bike, you need to pair your phone with the TFT screen. Just follow the on-screen instructions when you're looking for the phone on the dashboard on your TFT screen, but essentially in Bluetooth you need to select LC8 dashboard, which is the name of the TFT screen in Bluetooth. Once you've done this and you're paired up, you're ready to start using the app. So open up the app and type in the address in the search bar and select the address from the list below, and it'll take you to a screen that shows you where that destination is. Press the arrows in the bottom right hand corner. That'll take you to a screen that shows you the route that you're going to travel, the distance in miles from your current position, and how long it will take you to get there. Press the arrows in the bottom right hand corner again and you begin the navigation. This is what the My Ride navigation app looks like on your TFT screen. So you can see very, very clear turn-by-turn directions and the distance to that turn that you've got to action. And of course you have the usual information of name of the road you're on, arrival time, and the distance, which obviously counts down as you get closer. So from a basic navigation perspective, I think it's very, very easy to use. A great addition to the TFT screens and using linking with mobile devices and the apps that they have. Very clever and very clear. So did the app today get me to the destination that I was intending to go to? Well, the short answer is yes, it did, and it did it very well. The turn-by-turn instructions on the TFT screen got me to my destination without any hassles whatsoever. Ended up in exactly the destination that I wanted to be, which today was the bike stop in Stevenage. I head there every now and then for a coffee. It's a beautiful autumn blue sky sunny day, so a perfect day for a ride and to test out the navigation app, and it worked really, really well. So good job KTM on innovating with the TFT screen and linking mobile navigation apps to the TFT screen. Is the £8 worth it for this particular app? You might initially think that it's a little bit pricey for an app, but when you consider the fact that this will get you wherever you need to get to in the UK without any hassles whatsoever, from a navigation perspective, works spot on for me. I've not had any issues with it on this particular trip or any times I've used it since. It gets me to where I need to be, so it works very, very well as a navigation app. It beats the cost of having to buy a separate GPS device, a TomTom or a Garmin, and it also beats having to pay for a RAM mount and housing for your phone and mounting that to your handlebars. So very user-friendly, very convenient, and works very well as a navigation app. So you've got to say, thumbs up to KTM, a really, really good first attempt at £8, and I'd happily recommend this to other riders. As I've said, there are two updates I would like to see done to this app. That's showing the road ahead and showing how sharp the corners are. So it would be good to get a view of the road ahead, and the update to the roundabouts to show all the exits off the roundabout that you're coming up to. Apart from that, this app works really, really well and is an easy, good alternative to having an actual separate GPS device. Hope that's been useful today. If it has, please give me a like and share it with others. Also subscribe to my channel to get access to all my other videos. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.